So I decided to make a video to offer help on how to do things because I've been watching videos and, well, a lot of them seem like the people don't know what they're doing. So after 20-something years in the industry, I figured I'd start documenting all the little things I do. And maybe I can help someone out, and maybe someone like me doesn't get that aggravated. So we're gonna do the headlights on a 2005 Volvo XC90. I don't mind the haze on the headlights. What we're gonna do is put in this Beamtech LED headlight. So it's an LED replacement. I have not used these before. I originally bought them for my Ducati, but they did not fit. They look like a nice piece though. They come highly recommended. And changing out the headlights, whether you're gonna do LEDs or regular halogens on the Volvo, super easy. Actually, pretty much everything that I had to do to this Volvo has been extremely easy, from hub bearings to the angle gear sleeve replacement. So to do the headlights on this, it's a matter of simply pulling up the two retaining pins. They just come right up like that. The headlight assembly simply comes forward. The cover for the low beam twists and comes off. And then inside here is where the bulb is. So it's just a matter of undoing the connector, twisting the bulb, removing it, and replacing it with this LED Beamtech bulb. So you can index it, see which way it goes, twist it, reconnect. Now I can tell you these LEDs, if they are not, if the power and ground is not correct, they will not light. So what we're gonna do is throw the key on and verify that they work. So here you have it where it's not working, which is a simple fix. Simply undo it and just plug it in the correct way. And now you can see a nice clear LED as compared to the rather dull halogen. And reassembly again is super simple. It's simply a matter of putting the cover back on, sliding the headlight back into place. You can see right there is where the retaining clips go. They are two different lengths, so don't mix them up. Pop right in. And that's it. Headlight replacement complete. Just repeat for the other side. And if you have any questions, be happy to answer in the comments.